Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show how I did this very beautiful kinky straight drawstring ponytail from scratch. So to start off, I used this drawstring net. I got it online from AliExpress. So I pinned it onto my mannequin head, and then the show is about to start, guys. The hair I use is this pre-stretched canicolon hair. I also got it from AliExpress. Since it came pre-stretched, I didn't have to do any extra work. It made life so easy for me. Like, seriously made it easy. Just bring it from the pack and start, crocheting. So now for the crochet process, just loop the needle through the net, attach the head to the needle, pull the head through, and then just secure it on the net. So it's quite easy. If you really want to get what I'm doing, maybe you can consider slowing the video down. It's quite clear. I made sure to get a nice angle so that what I'm doing will be very clear. So I went on to keep crocheting the pieces of hair onto the net. I wanted the hair to be full, so I made the pieces big enough so that the hair will be full. When it comes to ponytails, I usually don't like the density. It's usually very scant. So I wanted to have a full density hair, at least for once, since I'm doing it myself. So I wanted it to be full. I like full hair.
Tasting tunes and everything you ooze, the tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll, no rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you?
So once I'm done crocheting the hair on the net, I then went ahead to brush it down just to make it smooth and straight for the next step. Now if you want a straight hair, you can just stop at this point because then you are done. Since I want a kinky straight texture, I have to continue the process. So what I did was to do a box braid on the hair. I braided the hair down in little sections.
Stranger.
Now once I'm done braiding the hair, the next step is to dip it in hot water. For the hot water, I added conditioner on the hot water just to make sure that the hair will come out silky soft. Now after dipping the hair in hot water, I let it dry completely. This is 2 days later. The hair is completely dry, so now I'm unraveling. Now to unravel, I made sure to start from the tip and gradually unravel the hair so that it will not be rough and it will not tangle. So I made sure to be gentle, start from the tip to unravel the hair, and once I'm done unraveling, I then start separating. So once I'm done separating, this is what we'll have: beautiful kinky straight ponytail. This is basically braid out, like just do a braid out on drawstring net. That's it. Now for the installation, I didn't want to use gel on my hair. Like, I didn't feel like using gels. I decided to use yarn to thread my hair. Okay, I did this a day before, so the next day it was dry, so I had to unravel it and comb it out. Now to comb it out, since it's dry, I add a little water on my hands. I didn't want to spritz water on my hair because then my hair will shrink right back. So I just added a little bit of water on my hair and then rubbed it into my hair just to add in a little bit of moisture. And then after that, I went in with leave-in conditioner and then I start brushing my hair up.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by...
After brushing my hair, I then put it in this ponytail. You can see it was already sleek enough, but to make it hold a little bit better and to avoid having any flyaways, I went in with Shine and Jam gel. So I just rubbed it in my hair and then brushed it in just at the top. And now I'm going in with the same Shine and Jam gel just to do my edges. I'm not really good at doing edges, but I like them, so I try.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is...
So I think what I did is just a little bit decent enough. After doing my edges, I then tied my hair down with this satin edge scarf.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
For the hair piece, I sewed in 2 combs on the hair, one in front and one at the back, as you can see right here. Now for the installation, I just attached the comb to the front and back and then pulled the string together. So while doing this step, I was distracted by my 1-year-old. Ivy was screaming like hell, so I was kind of distracted, so I didn't know my hair was peeking out. So just pretend like my hair is not peeking out. I wrapped the string around my hair and then I took some piece of hair and wrapped it around the bun, you know, just to give it that natural look.
Waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting.
This hairpiece is so beautiful. It was so nice. I was feeling myself without knowing that my hair was picking out. It was later that I found that, and I had to reinstall, but I couldn't video that again, so I just decided to post this one anyway, since you guys know what I was supposed to do anyway, so just for you to see the beauty of the hair. So that's it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave comments in the comment section below. I love you all. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao.